Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by securing your data and making the device ready for low-level changes. First, backup photos and app data to cloud or PC because uninstalling an update can wipe user data. Once done, enable developer options by tapping build number 7 times, then turn on USB debugging. Make sure the battery is above 50% and use the original USB cable. Unstable power or a bad cable can interrupt the process and cause a brick. Now connect to your computer and install OEM drivers. You will now perform the actual rollback by flashing a factory image or using signed rollback packages. First, download the exact image for your model and verify the checksum so you don't flash wrong firmware. Next, decide. Unlocking the bootloader lets you flash freely but wipes the device. If you prefer not to unlock, use stock recovery methods or vendor rollback options if available. Then run fastboot commands, fastboot flashall for full reimage, or flash selective partitions to preserve user data when possible. Watch for errors and read output closely. You finish by rebooting the device to system and checking stability. The first boot can take several minutes. If a boot loop happens, perform a factory reset from recovery and then reboot again. Once stable, restore your backups, and if you unlock the bootloader and want security, relock it following vendor instructions. If flashing failed or device is unresponsive, use rescue mode or manufacturer recovery tools, and contact OEM support or a certified service. Doing so prevents accidental permanent damage.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.